Hi everyone, welcome at the Plan With Me video with the Rainbow Florals. I'm so excited to create my first spread with this sticker book. I have a really fun idea and I really hope what I have in mind is coming to paper. The idea is that I'm going to have a rainbow boxes in the middle and then have matching florals as a border here. So I'm excited, let's start! I'm going to take the sheets out so I can have them lay down how I want. So I have a good overview on the colors, where to go and stuff. Yep. And what size the boxes are that I'm going to use. Let's see, red, pink, orange, yellow, blue, green, and then purple. And yeah, okay, I'm so excited to create this spread. I had this in my mind for a while, but I didn't got my rainbow sticker book yet. Yeah, so I really hope it's going to be fun. Let's start with yellow here. I might add more boxes later, but for right now I'm going to leave it this way and start with the floral stickers. I'm so excited to create this spread. So I'm a bit in doubt if I'm going to do the same florals or different florals. Let me see. I think I'm going to do different florals to have a little bit of a different style. Yay! I'm done. And I think I'm not going to add any more stickers. I'm really in love with the boxes and how it looks like. I really hope you like watching this video too. This sticker book, Rainbow Florals, is still available to order, also as part of the Rainbow Florals box. And of course, this sticker book is also individually available at planythingshop.com. Thank you for watching this video and see you at the next one. Bye!